Mathaa manini mbere ya gutirwo kwa mihang'o ya utarani wa andu na uria ukoretwo ugithii na mbere guothe bururi-ini kwa ihinda ria thiku mugwanja hituku, na thirikari niyaniriire ndikuongerera ikiongerera ihinda riothe mbere ya gutirwo kwa mihang'o ino.
Even as we are talking now, the exercise is ongoing and we expect to end it midnight tonight. That is the 31st of August. And therefore, we are urging Kenyans to take advantage of the remaining hours to ensure that they are enumerated.
Mwandiki mukaru wa mibango Torome Saitoti Akirekereria ndumiriri ino augite gicunji kia 95 harĩ 100 kia Akenya nio marikitie gutarwo guku makihoka ati gicunji kiria gitigarite gutarwo kia 5 harĩ 100 ni megukorwo mataritwo mbere ya gutirwo kwa mihang'o ino utuku wa umuthi.
We are asking everyone who has not been counted to report through the toll number, the toll-free number, which is 0800221020.
Makiria wa maabitha 130 nio marahuthika gutabania mihang'o ino kuria riu matanyitwo gwikirira icigo iria itari iratarwo mbere ya thaa 6 cia utuku wa umuthi. Thirikari ikihinyiriria mihang'o ino neri huthirite muigana wa ciringi bilioni 18.5 gukorwo iri ya kiguni kinene hari guteithiriria mibango-ini ya thirikari.
We appeal for patience as the data collected is being processed.
Murugamo uyu wa thirikari ukite oriri gikundi kia atongoria kuma Isiolo ya muhuro moritie thirikari yongerere ihinda ria utarani uyu na thiku 3 niguo kuhotithia muingi wothe wa gicigo giki gukorwo utaritwo.
If everywhere is to be captured, we have to have more days. Today the county commissioner is in Garbatula. That is too late. It's just too late. He would not have been in Garbatula today. He would have been in those areas. Na angeenda kufanya hiyo kazi juzi.
Ihoya riri makiuga rikuhotithia kurehe uigananu gicigo-ini giki na kiria maugite gikoretwo gitiganeirio ni thirikari gwakinya ni tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.